Hello friends, Namaskar, welcome back to PoliGrill. I do believe in love. Anywhere, everywhere, anytime, every time. And when the season is spring, time is fidel, then something special, something fantastic is going to happen. Here's my special video recipe, baked Rasgulla. I take 10 Rasgulla for my today's recipe, baked Rasgulla.
First, squeeze out the sugar syrup from Rasgullas. Now, cut the Rasgullas into halves. Keep aside. Soak few saffron sticks in 1 tablespoon milk. Now put in blender 1 cup paneer, 1 cup milk, 2 teaspoon corn flour, 4 tablespoon powdered sugar, half teaspoon cinnamon powder and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Now make smooth batter-like consistency. Paneer mixture nicely done. Now pour 1/3 paneer mixture in a baking pan. Now place the Rasgulla halves like this in the pan. Now pour 1/3 paneer mixture over this. Now place the rest Rasgulla halves like this. Finally, pour the rest paneer mixture evenly over it. Now pour the saffron mixture over it.
Now bake for 12 to 15 minutes in 150 degrees centigrade.
Nicely done. Fantastic.
Before serving, garnish with dry fruits. Cashew, almond, and pistachio. Spread your love for everything, world, nature, human, and last but never the least, me and my channel. Bye bye.